So welcome everyone. Today we are gonna present on Python frameworks. It is presented by me, Anand Bhaskar, and my teammate Aman Sharma. So we'll start with what is Python frameworks. So frameworks are basically the pre-built set of tools and libraries that helps developer build web application faster and more effectively. It means that you don't need to learn anything from scratch. Like you want any technology for your project, but you don't have the time to learn it, then you can use the frameworks. Frameworks are too useful. It provides you the structure for organizing codes, reduces basically it reduces the need to write repetitive tasks, right, and streamlining the development process. So it is Python framework. Now we will proceed to the types of Python frameworks. So there are two types of Python frameworks. One is full stack frameworks that includes everything. Second one is micro frameworks, that is a lightweight version and it is a flexible version of the framework. So full stack framework provides everything that needs for web development, like it includes front end, back end, database handling, everything. The example of full stack framework is Django that we use. Uh, Mostly we use Django. Then another technology that we uses in our daily life is Flask is also a framework, but it is a lightweight and flexible version. It only includes the core components from basic app structure. Then we have the key features of frameworks. So key features of frameworks are routing, templating, database interaction, and security. So what is routing? Routing is the handling requests and directing them to the appropriate view or controller within the application. Then templating is generating dynamic HTML content based on the data and templates. Database interaction is providing tools for interacting with database, managing data storage and retrieval. All the tool that needs to interact with databases and everything are database interaction. Then security is important in every purpose, like it offers built-in security measures to protect the application from any attack or any vulnerabilities. Then why we use what is the use of Python framework? So Python framework is used for web development, API development, or security. As we have discussed the security, that we have to protect our application from any attack or vulnerable. So Python frameworks provides us the security. It has its built-in features like protection against common vulnerability, like there are SQL ejection or CSRF or many more attacks can be there. So it another purpose is web development. We are mostly using it for web developments. It provides us the features like building dynamic scalable websites and web applications quickly. Moreover, it helps us in backend development also. It handles the server side logic, databases and API. Now okay, so now we come to the topic of popular Python frameworks. So you can see there are popular frameworks like Django, Flask, Fast API or Pyramid. Now my friend Aman Sharma will proceed and he will tell you about brief of this topic.
Good afternoon. As my friend Anand Bhaskar tell everything about Python framework, here is my part that is popular Python framework. I will tell you about brief introduction of these popular Python framework such as Django, Flask, Fast API, and Pyramid. First of all, Django. Django is a powerful full stack framework known for its rapid development and scalability. In Django, there is a built-in feature like authentication, ORM, and admin panel. It is ideal for large and scalable application. On the other hand, Flask. A Flask is a lightweight micro framework offering flexibility and control for small projects. It is easy to learn, great for small and medium application, and here is a extension available for adding other functionality in Flask. Third is Fast API. Fast API is a modern framework optimized for building fast and efficient and robust API. It is high performance and uses asynchronous and await for speed. Here is a function of automatic documentation and data validation. Fourth, Pyramid. A pyramid is a versatile framework offering flexibility and customization for various project types. It is flexible framework for small and large projects, support both SQL and NoSQL database customization and authorization and authentication provide in pyramid. Now, here is a most important part of our slide, that is choosing the right framework. We have various framework, but for for providing a framework to our project, we have to choose the right framework. It is based on the such as project size of our project, and what is our team expertise, and what time we have provided for developing a project, and scalability. For project size, micro framework; for smaller project, full stack; for large project, second, team expertise. For choosing framework that match your skills and experience of your team, that is very important. Development time, a full stack framework can accelerate development, but many have a steeper learning curve. Scalability. Now, comparison of some of the most popular frameworks such as Django, Flask, and Fast API. First of all, we have comparison based on performance. Django is a high performance, Flask has moderate performance, and Fast API has very high performance. But on the basis of security, Django provide excellent security, Flask provide good security but not as good as Django. Fast API also provide a excellent security, but on the easy of their useness, Django is moderate. It is not as good as Flask and Fast API. Flask and Fast API are more easy to use for users. Now it's a part of advantage and disadvantages of pub frameworks. Advantage: on using these frameworks, there is a faster development, and because faster development due to built-in tools and libraries, and in frameworks there is a code reusability, so it reduces redundant in codes. If we do not use these courses, frameworks, then there is a many part in the code, so that we have to reuse it, and that makes our code redundant. The or using frameworks makes our project scalable, and there is a built-in features in our frameworks such as fast api and flask that makes our project secure, and there is also a community support provided by these frameworks, and easy to maintain. They makes our project easy to maintainable. But on the other hand, there is some disadvantage of using these frameworks such as learning curve. It makes our project less flexible, and they also provide some overhead and makes our project slow. On the other hand, there is a dependency due to the updates and supports in frameworks, and can also makes our performance slower. Future trends. First of all, continued focus on API development and microservice in architecture. Second, there is integration of machine learning and AI into the framework. Third, emerging framework with enhanced performance and security features. These are some of the future trends in our Python framework. Now, last about that is conclusion and key takeaways from the Python framework. Python framework have revolutionized the web development, offering a range of benefits like speed, security, and scalability in our development of project. Understanding different types of frameworks, popular choices, and their features in is crucial for our project. By carefully selecting the right framework, developing can optimize their projects for efficiency, performance, and scalable. So, for a built-in and project, Python framework can use and make our project scalable, and make our project fast, as well as make our project efficient.